Here is the salary calculator. It calculates an employee's gross pay, tax deduction, and net salary based on basic salary and overtime hours. Here's the summary. I'll explain. Uh, it takes the basic salary here and overtime hours, and it defines a fixed overtime rate of 150. The pay calculation is here. The overtime equals overtime hours times overtime rate, and gross salary equals basic salary plus overtime pay. The deduction uh, calculates the tax as 12% here, the 0.12. That's the tax that uh, and next, the net pay. It computes the net salary by subtracting the tax from gross salary. And the output displays all monetary values formatted to 2 decimal places. Let's run. For example, employee name J, basic salary 90, number of hours 12, and it will display the salary report and formatted like this. And that's all.